In this video, I want to show you another trick that you'll be using in project 1. So the first thing I want to do is I want to define a data frame, and this time around I'll define it like that. So I'll define a data frame and I'll say that the data frame is going to actually get converted from a matrix that has, let's say, 3 rows and 2 columns. That's how you accomplish that. So if I run this line and if I then see what t is, well, here is t. All of its values are NAs. So okay, let me put in some values into t. So let's say that t11, so that would be this guy. Let's say that this is gonna be 12. Let's say that ta, t2, let's say 2 is gonna be 16. Let me run the whole thing. And here's t now. So 1 is 12, 2 is 16. Let me now try to compute the sum of t, so the sum of all of those. The value here is going to be NA. Why is that? Well, because if any one of the numbers is unknown, then the sum of the entire thing is unknown. Now, here's one thing you can do. You can say sum t, and now you can say na.rm is equal to true. If you do that, what it does is it just ignores all the non-available numbers. And then the sum becomes 28, which is 12 plus 16. So what else can you do? Well, you can, for example, figure out how many numbers that are smaller than 15 are there in the table. Here's how you would do this. The answer is 1, which is true. Why is that? Well, because if you say t smaller than 15, what you get is this data frame. So this is an A, this is an A, this is an A, this is false. This is an A, this is true. False converts to 0, true converts to 1, which means that if you compute the sum of t smaller than 15 and you remember to remove the RMs from there, what you'll get is 1 plus 0 plus nothing, because an a.rm equals true means that you ignore all the NAs. So this is going to be 1. This, you should pause for a second and figure out what it is. The answer is 2.